We are doing it again. Unveiling projects like no one has ever done before. We continue to rise in areas where no other developer dared to build. Camella. Through its carrying brand for its vertical projects, Camella Condo Homes brings new life in more metros. COHO in every metro. Brace yourselves as we rise in 25 areas nationwide. North Luzon, Mega Manila, South Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, ready for the distinct new generation lifestyle. See your lifestyle transform. See every metro transform with Camella Condo Homes.